In this video, I'll show you how to register or create an account with Zelle. Start by opening the Chase mobile app or visiting the Chase website on your desktop. Enter your username and password to sign in to your account. Tap on Pay and Transfer from the main menu screen of the menu. In the Transfer and Pay or Pay and Transfer section, look for Zelle and select it. This will take you to the Zelle registration process. You'll be prompted to enroll in Zelle. Click or tap on Get Started or Enroll. You'll need to link either an email or address or a phone number with your Zelle account. Type in the email address or the phone number you want to use. Make sure it's an active contact method that you regularly check. After that, Chase will send in a verification code to that contact method. Enter it to complete your registration. You'll be asked to select which Chase account you want to link to Zelle. This is the account where you will receive and send money. Choose the appropriate account and confirm your selection. Before completing your registration, you'll need to review Zelle's terms and conditions. Read through them and tap Agree if you accept the terms. Now, you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle. Simply go to the Zelle section in your Chase app or website and follow the prompts to initiate transactions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.